guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do this purple eye look from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off with priming my face with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Matte Primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and put Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water on my face. Then going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, I'm going to be taking the color Incense, I think it's Incense, into the crease, and then I'm going to go over with Volatile, I think that's what it's called. I'm going to go in with Volatile in my crease as well, and then I'm going to take Celestial and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelids. After I've blended my life away, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Warm Beige Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral, and I'm just going to be highlighting the points of my face. Now I'm just setting my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape powder. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Dark Brown, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Contour palette, and I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm going to go in with my Milani Tea Rose Blush, and I'm going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And then taking my Smashbox and Casey Holmes palette in the color Blow a Fuse, and I'm going to be highlighting my face. Then going in with my Physicians Formula eyeliner, and I'm going to be winging my eyes. And then finally finishing off with my Essence Waterproof Black Mascara. I'm going to finish off this look with my lipstick in the Casey Holmes Palladio collaboration in the color Rescue, and finishing off with some Smashbox Primer Water. That is going to be it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to feel free to give it a big thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.